Loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome to Sessions with Ugo. The feedback from the previous video was so amazing, and I am glad that a lot of you found helpful tips to start as a student. Now, that was only part one of the video. This is part two, and in this video I'm showing you practical tips on how to properly start an Instagram business. Now, if you're interested in learning helpful tips starting your own Instagram business, then you should definitely keep on watching. Alright guys, back to the video. Now, the first step to starting your own Instagram business is to figure out what product or what services you want to do. And I already addressed that issue in the first video. So if you're still looking for business ideas you can do while in school, then I'll refer you to my first video. So watch it and then you'll find tips. So to figure out what product you want to do, figure out what services you want to offer. That is the first way to start, because you have to pick an industry. Instagram is free, thereby there are lots of people that are going to be selling, and some of them are scammers. So it's easier for people to trust you when you're known for something good, or you're known for a particular product or services that you offer. So the first step is to identify what you want to do, identify which product, identify which service you want to render, and then you start. So this will now take me into the next point, which is to have a clear goal or to have a clear vision. All right. Now, it is very important that every business should have a goal, should have a vision. You should have a problem you're trying to solve. That is how you can make money. Chase purpose, chase vision, chase impact, and then automatically money will follow through. Okay, once you're solving a problem, once you're making life comfortable for a particular set of individuals, automatically they would want to give you their money without you even asking. All right, for example, Sessions with Ugo, this is a brand on its own. We are helping students who are lost when it comes to business to find tips that they can do without having to spend so much money. And we are also taking you on a journey to actually helping you start up your own business to a 6-figure business. So that is our own goal as a brand. So what is your own goal? What do you want to achieve with your brand? What services do you feel like people would appreciate you for? That is something that you must put into considerations before and while you are starting your Instagram business. Okay, so the next step, after you figured out what you want to sell, after you have a goal, you have a vision, now the next step is to identify your target market or your niche market. Now, the next step is to identify your target or your niche market. Identifying your target market is so important because we have over 7 billion people, if I'm correct, in the world. And not everybody would like everything. So it's important so that you know who you're selling to. All right, because some people, no matter how affordable your products are, it's expensive to somebody else. Okay, so identify your target market. Now, there are 3 criteria to identifying your target market. Who are they? Where are they? And how can you reach them? How can I reach them as a brand owner? Okay, if you're able to answer these 3 questions, then I'm sure that you'll be able to form the basis for your target market and your niche market. This would also help you to know which marketing strategy would work for your target market. Are you targeting older people, young people, kids? All right, there are so many things for you to take into considerations while defining your target market. So make sure your target market is defined. Who needs your products? Why do they need your product? And how can you reach them? So that is the third way to starting your own online business. Now, the next and the fourth way to start your online business is to open up your Instagram page. Congratulations, you have passed the first step, the second step, the third step, and you're now on the fourth step. Open up your Instagram page. Instagram is free. It is a free platform. All right, so you open up your Instagram page. Now if you don't know about Instagram is a social media platform, but people also use it to sell. Okay, so there's a personal account and there's the business account. So you're going to choose the business account to start your online business, and choosing the business account means you're choosing a professional or a business user name. Choose a professional business name. So the reason why I would advise you guys to make sure that you choose a name related to your industry or your business is because when your target audience is trying to search for your services, sometimes they just search the industry, e.g. human hair or luxury hair. Now if your industry is attached to your username, it will be easier for Instagram to put you on the top search. All right, that way your target market would see you first. For example, Miriam's makeup studio, or Miriam's makeup, or makeup by Miriam. That way when people are looking for makeup artists, it would be easier for them to find your page. So insert what you do in your username. Okay, that is on your business account. Ensure you're using a business account. Do not use a personal account. Use a business account for your business page. So once you found your your professional business name, then you've passed the 4th step, and welcome to the 5th step. Now the 5th step is to craft your Instagram bio. Now your Instagram bio consists of 3 major questions you should ask yourself. 4 major questions. Your Instagram bio consists of 4 major questions to answer. Who are you as a brand or as a business? Who are you? What do you do? All right. Where are you located? Nigeria, Los Angeles, India. Where are you located? And how can we reach you? That is the call to action. How can we, your people that want to patronize you, how can we reach you? If you've succeeded in answering these 4 questions, your bio is complete. Now I'm going to have a separate video where I give you guys step-by-step tips on how to create an Instagram bio. Your Instagram bio is your selling point. That is the first thing people see once they come to your page. All right, that is the first thing that will determine if they are going to buy from you or not. Once your bio is not comprehensive, once your bio is shabby, your customers are going to leave. Okay, so make sure that you work on your bio. Answer these 4 questions. Who are you? What do you do? Where are you located, and how can we reach you? All right, so if you can answer these 4 questions, then you have succeeded in creating a very, very, very captivating Instagram bio. So you should watch out for the next video. I'm going to be teaching you guys step-by-step tips on how to create your Instagram bio. After you have created your Instagram bio, the next step is to start posting clear pictures. Now posting clear pictures is very necessary on Instagram. Now I'm going to give you guys a free tip. Instagram videos and IG reels, they do better on Instagram. If you want more numbers, if you want a higher engagement, if you want more reach, all right, if you want more impressions on your post, then you should definitely use Instagram videos and Instagram reels, IG reels. They do better. All right, so make sure that you're posting your pictures in a clear and in a defined manner. It is very necessary when you're posting pictures. All right, I see some people on Instagram, they are posting their business pictures and then they will use their handles to cover the whole product. Like, so what exactly are we buying? Are we buying your handle? Are we buying your phone number you put, or are we buying the product? What happens to putting it at the bottom left? Even if you're so scared of people stealing your products, like, it's Instagram, people will still remove it. There are apps for these things now. Whether you put it or not, people are still going to steal, but they cannot steal your marketing strategy. They cannot steal your source. All right, so stop putting phone numbers, handles across your pictures. It doesn't make any sense. Even if you want to put a watermark, celebrate your picture, celebrate your product, and then put your watermark towards the bottom corner. That is how you post. Have a defined manner, have a clear manner on how you post. All right, have a defined manner, have a clear manner on posting, and avoid posting unrelated content on your business page. It is not necessary. You're not a blogger, you're not an entertainer, neither are you a comedian. Stop posting. Even if you find something so funny, take it to your Instagram story and leave your feed alone. Let it keep looking professional. You have a personal account, post it to your personal account. Leave your business, because you don't want a buyer coming and seeing you posting funny things and then they begin to think that you're not even serious about your business. All right, so post in a clear, let's do a recap. Post in a clear and defined manner. Do not post your logo or your watermark across your pictures. Celebrate your product, celebrate your product, and then avoid you posting unrelated content. Use more videos and IG reels. And please, while posting your pictures, please put your captions. Put your prices on your captions. Put your prices on your captions. People don't have time to be messaging you every time for your prices. All right, so except you're a service, you offer a service, then it will depend on what the client wants. But if you're selling a product, please post your price. All right, it will help people, it will save you from time wasters and all of that. Now, the 7th way to starting your own Instagram business is to start marketing. So you have figured out your product, you have a clear goal, you know your target market, you have opened up your Instagram page, you have a good username, your bio is looking top notch, you're posting clear pictures, you know your captions are very detailed, all of that. The next step is to start marketing. Marketing on Instagram is a very broad topic, so I'm not going to talk about everything. I'll just give the major points, and then subsequently I talk about them in my other videos. So there are like 4 ways to market. You can use Instagram ads, you can use hashtags, you can use influencers, and it's the word of mouth. So these are all steps to marketing on Instagram. But because I don't want this video to be long, so I'm going to keep those explanations for other videos. So make sure you're watching so you don't miss out when I post the other videos. All right? But hashtags are very basic on Instagram. You're just using the hashtags. Yeah, you have to be using something related to your business or to your brand. Don't just use so many hashtags. So marketing is the key to the money. If you want to make sales on Instagram, you have to be marketing to the right people. Okay, so that is what is necessary. You market well. Post it everywhere. Post it to your friends. Tell your family members to repost you. Tell your dogs, your cats. Tell everybody to repost you, because using Instagram ads is good, but you have to know the tips and the tricks in order to reach your target market or your targeted audience. Okay, so that is why I'm going to be teaching you guys that on a separate video. So market. Recap: number 1, hashtags; number 2, Instagram ads; number 3, influencer marketing; number 4, word of mouth. And now every business has the type of marketing they need at every point of their business. So I'm going to be teaching you guys which marketing strategy you should use for your business in order to get sales, because some of them market for you, some marketing skills might give you followers but might not give you sales. All right, so that is why it's essential to know which strategy to use depending on the results you want. So make sure you keep on watching my subsequent videos, and I'll be talking to you guys the different ways to market on Instagram. All right, so the next step is to have a good customer service. Make sure your customer service is A1. Make sure you're not rude. A lot of Instagram vendors are rude, as if they're the ones that actually brought Instagram. You'll be thinking they're the ones they were working with Mark when they were creating Instagram. They are just so rude, uncouth, ill-mannered. So make sure that you're not rude. You should never be known to be a rude person on Instagram, because your customers have options. People forget that your customers have options. So the minute you're messing up, they will leave you. They will leave you. Do you know how many vendors are on Instagram? So make sure that your customer service is very good. Make sure you're calm. Don't force your products on your buyers. You know, give them some time to make up their minds. Be polite. Help them decide. Okay, if they ask you for your opinions, help them decide. Don't leave everything to them. All right, and your business will definitely run well. Now, the last but not the least is stay consistent. You can have, if you followed from the beginning, the first step to this step, your pages should be fully set up, but make sure that you stay consistent. Treat your business like a 9 to 5. Show up every day, even if you are so tired, even if you are exhausted, you're not seeing likes, you're not getting views, you're not getting anything. Just keep posting. All right, keep showing up, keep marketing, keep telling people about it, and you're going to go further. Rome was not built in a day. All right, every big business you see today was once a small business. They once opened their Instagram page one day like you're starting today, but see where they are. They were consistent. If they had stopped, they would definitely not be where they are today. So make sure you're not stopping. It's okay to relax, it's okay to rest, but keep showing up. And with Sessions with Ugo, me myself, I have a business that I am running. So we're going to keep ourselves in check. When we feel tired, we'll come on here, we'll talk about something else, we'll encourage ourselves, and then we keep on going. Everybody is going to be successful. Stay consistent. You're going to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of life. But make sure you're consistent. Have a number of posts you want to make every day. Think of your content. Have it planned out. What times? Check your insight to see what times your audience are online the most, and that should help you know what time of the day to post so that your buyers can see your products more. All of this I'm going to talk about in my video, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can actually start well and have someone guide you. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'm going to list out all the tips I spoke about and attach it somewhere here, but make sure that you follow all my steps and all my tips, and I'll be talking about how to create your how to craft your bio. I'll talk about how to craft your captions, because captions are very important. Captions is also as important as your bio. I'll talk about the marketing strategies and which one would work for your business in my subsequent videos. So make sure you like my video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share the word, share it to your mom, your dad, your siblings, your friends, your ex-best friend, your ex-boyfriend, your ex-girlfriend. Share it to everybody, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Stay fabulous and have an amazing day.